And first at 5, the truck driver accused of causing this deadly fiery crash last month on I-70 near Colorado Mills will not be required to wear a GPS monitor. That decision just handed down by a judge within the last hour, even though the prosecution says he is a flight risk. Good evening, and thank you so much for choosing Denver 7. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. Denver 7's Megan Lopez was in court today and just spoke to the attorney for Rogel Aguilera-Mederos.
With his lawyer and loved one by his side, Rogel Lazaro Aguilera-Mederos entered the Jefferson County Courthouse Friday ready to plead his case for why a GPS monitor is not necessary.
It is a useless cosmetic shackle. In this case, it's humiliating and it's dangerous.
That courthouse just a 5-minute drive from the stretch of I-70 where he's accused of careening into traffic and causing a 28-car crash that killed 4 people.
If he was going to flee.
Before the hearing, defense lawyer Rob Corey adamantly defended his client.
There's absolutely zero risk of flight in this circumstance.
And talked about what life is like for Aguilera-Mederos as he goes through the legal process, saying that he's living in a hotel and...
My client has been, unfortunately, contacted by people, and he's had to move his residence because of this.
Aguilera-Mederos himself did not speak, but last week in a Facebook post, he expressed sympathy for the victims and their families and thanked his supporters. Currently, there's no request for him to be able to return to Texas, but...
We did talk about that as a potential request down the line.
So for now...
We frankly have a lot of work to do, and we need him here in Colorado.
So again, that GPS request was denied. There were some families of victims in the courtroom today, but they did not want to speak to us afterward. The prosecution also asked for some of the property from people to be returned to them, which the judge granted. The next court hearing is July 11th. Live in front of the Jefferson County Courthouse, Megan Lopez, Denver 7.